Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Waits World Travel. We just arrived at our hotel room at Avenida Palace Hotel in Barcelona, so let's take a look. It's a beautiful room and it's right on one of the main boulevards in Barcelona, in a very nice part of town. You can see it's quite spacious, a nice large room. It's kind of twin beds, but they're pushed up next to each other, so kind of a king size bed too, but got two night tables on each side of the bed, and the room was ready early. We arrived at 10 till 10 this morning, and they had it ready by 10:15 and brought our luggage up to the room without us even asking. It's really amazing. Beautiful picture on the wall from Barcelona. Individually controlled lights. We have a view of the boulevard outside the window. So there's one of the main boulevards in Barcelona right there. I have a lovely desk with a little coffee maker, which is very nice. And not sure what this is, if I can get it open. Oh, nice stationery and cards. We have a nice flat screen TV and a mini bar with some glasses. Oh, there we go. Mini bar, or mini fridge. Mini bar, not stocked, but have a mini fridge, so that's very nice. And tons of storage space. So I have all these closets over here. A safe for your valuables. And lots of shelf space. And then a nice big closet here with hangers and more shelf space. And another closet over here with more hangers. So for your long garments. So just a beautiful room. And then coming back out here, we have this amazing bathroom too. So nice big bathroom with a double vanity, plenty of storage under the sink, great big mirror, a nice big separate soaking tub with a shower wand. So a very nice, very big soaking tub, and a separate shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. So just beautiful bathroom. And the facilities, of course. So, just a lovely room in Barcelona at Avenida Palace Hotel. So when you're ready to book your next cruise out of Barcelona, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.